Everyone's talking about making money in Q4, but almost no one's talking about where the real money actually goes. Every year, brands dump billions into campaigns before their budgets reset. And if you know how to position yourself in the middle of that flow, you can easily make 6 figures without selling a single product. I'm going all in this Q4, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. So let's talk about what Q4 actually is, because most people don't understand how big this window really is. It's steady through Q1, Q2, Q3, then October hits and everything explodes. You've got Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas and New Year's. 4 major events back to back that drive insane sales volume. It's not just about the sales, it's about the budgets. By the end of the year, a lot of marketing teams still have money left over. And if they don't spend it, finance cuts that amount from the next year's budget. So instead of losing it, they push it into influencer campaigns, paid ads and content. On top of that, marketing spend is a tax write-off, which means for a lot of companies, spending more before December 31st literally saves them money. So what happens? You get this perfect storm. Brands sitting on leftover budgets, a buyer audience ready to spend, influencers ready to get paid, and short time window before year end. If you're in influencer marketing or any kind of middleman business, this is your Super Bowl. This is the one quarter where brands are begging to spend money, and if you are not ready to move fast, someone else will take those deals before you. The difference between a 5k per month and 50k per month isn't the skill, it's how fast you move when the money is flying around. So now you get why Q4 is chaos. But chaos only matters if you can make money from it. So here's what actually happens behind scenes when brands are spending like crazy. These are 5 main reasons, and once you understand them, you'll realize how much opportunity you are probably leaving on the table. Reason number 1 is leftover budgets. This is a really big one. Every marketing team gets a yearly budget. And here's the rule. If they don't spend it, they lose it next year. So December becomes their budget burn season. They start saying yes to things they would normally overthink. Influencer pilots, new agencies, last minute campaigns. We once closed 20k deal in 48 hours in mid-December because brands literally told us we need to use this money before Christmas or finance cuts it next year. No long call, no deck, just invoice wire campaign live. That's Q4 energy. Reason number 2 is seasonality. This is the biggest sales period of the year. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas, New Year's. Retail, fashion, tech and fitness, every niche goes all in. They know that this is when 30 to 40% of their annual revenue comes in. So their marketing spend naturally spikes. Reason number 3, competition pressure. If a brand sees their competitor working with 10 creators in November and they are doing nothing, they know they are falling behind. So they scramble to get into same spaces, which means they're easier to close and faster to pay. Reason number 4, of course, ad costs spike. Meta, TikTok, YouTube, CPMs double or triple in Q4. That's why influencer deals suddenly look like a bargain. Instead of paying 10k for ads that get burned down in a week, brands would rather pay 3 to 4k for a creator who gives them content, reach and engagement that lasts for months. Reason number 5 is time pressure. Everything has a big deadline now. They need campaigns live before Black Friday now. That urgency shortens their decision cycles from weeks to days, which means if your offer is clear and you move fast, you will win. So when you put all of this together, budget burn, seasonality, competition and ad costs plus time pressure, you get this perfect window for middlemen. Q4 is chaos for brands, but it's clarity for you. If you can be the person who brings structure and spend into chaos, you'll close more in the next 6 weeks than most of the people do all year. That's why I call Q4 the middleman season. Because when everyone's rushing, the person who brings the order gets paid the most. Most people waste Q4 chasing quick wins, dropshipping stores, random ads, whatever is trending right now, but the truth is the fastest money this quarter isn't selling products, it's connecting people who already are. So how can you actually start this yourself? First step will be pick a Q-friendly niche. Beauty and fragrances, gift sets, limited editions works really well. Fashion, apparel and jewelry, holiday fits, very good. Consumer tech and accessories, for example headphones, keyboards, cases, everything works really good, and these kind of brands invest a lot. Home decor, candles, diffusers, blankets, all kind of these gifts work really well. Food and beverage, energy, snacks, this is party season, you got Christmas, you got New Year's, and of course works really good. Pet products, for example, all the gifts that you can gift for New Year's or Christmas works really good. Fitness and supplements, New Year momentum, you have preparations for January and works really good. Step 2 will be, of course, choose the offer. Forget retainers right now, sell a fast pilot campaign. Offer 2 to 3 creator collab live in 14 days. For example, you can include sourcing, negotiation, contracts, content approvals, posting window, and screenshot and report. Simple outcome, assets will be live before the holiday push. If it works, we scale next week or in Q1. Why this wins? It's a low risk, fast to approve, and directly tied to the holiday revenue. Number 3 is craft your one-liner, copy, paste plus tweak. You can say anything like, we help niche brands launch last-minute creator pilots that go live in 14 days, so you can capture Q4 sales without building an in-house team. Add your speed plus sales impact plus urgency triangle in every message. For example, you can include speed, live in 14 days, sales impact to capture Black Friday, Cyber Monday holiday demand. Urgency, calendar deadline equals decision deadline. Step 4, build 2 lists. Brands, you need to build at least 60 per day. Only those already using creators or running offers. Don't waste time on brands that don't already run influencer campaigns. Creators 20 to 30, micro and mid influencers 5k to 300k, recent views, audience, geographical fit. Keep it simple, sheet, brand, contact, last collab scene, angle, next step, and same for creators, of course, niche, average views, audience split, and rate plus notes. Step 4 will be double your outreach volume, and this is what you should do today if you're already running your agency. If you've been sending 30 emails per day, make it 60 until December. Q4 replies are faster, ride the wave while you still can. Subject lines that you can use, you can steal these ones. Holiday collabs live in 14 days, question mark. Last minute creator push for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, because brands are already preparing for that. 3 creators that match your buyers, fast pilot campaign. And if you want follow-ups and full templates, you will need to check the description. Step 6 is pricing. Keep it obvious. For beginners, don't overthink your margins. Speed matters a lot more here. Simple model can be brand pays creator fees plus 20 to 30% management fee or a fixed pilot campaign fee. It's obvious. Meta CPM spike. They are ready to pay more for influencers too. Step 7 is deadlines, close deals. Use the calendar. Turn time into your closer. State it, don't sell it. To be live in 40 days, we need approvals by Thursday. You can always use kind of lines like this. You're not pushing, you're protecting outcomes. Step 8, after the first pilot, the money wave, if it performs, scale pack, add 5 to 10 creators next week. If it's mid, tweak angle, offer, and rerun very fast. If it flops, own it, adjust it, offer a micro test with a sharper brief. Speed keeps trust here. So how would a beginner take advantage of this period in 7 days? Day number 1, pick a niche and write one-liner, plus set up your domain email. Day number 2, build 60 brand list plus 20 creators. Day number 3 to 4, start reaching out and emailing every single day. Day number 6 and 7, start getting your first replies. Do this for 2 weeks straight and you will either have deals or data that makes the next weeks convert. Remember, brands don't want a new agency managing their whole campaigns right now. They want results before holidays, before these deadlines. Sell speed and let the urgency close for you. You can literally double your close rate this month just by saying to go live before Christmas, we need approvals by Thursday. Q4 is your moment. Most people slow down. Smart people double down now. Double your outreach, lock small pilots, deliver results, and use them as a very good proof and case studies for Q1. If you want to fasten up the process and bring your agency to 5K plus this quarter, check out Middleman Roundtable in the description. If you don't, still hit a like, subscribe, and comment your plan for Q4, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.